Fixably has automations to minimize errors and improve service experience for your customers. The best way to check in a device in Fixably is by using a macro, which is a controlled automated workflow. You can require that the visual and mechanical inspection be part of the process. Device schematic will be shown automatically via the Apple GSX integration, but you can also choose a schematic from available options. There are 4 built-in markers to record scratches, dents, cracks, liquid damage, corrosion and stains. Plus, you can add additional notes to provide more details. Once you've checked the device in, you can print the order confirmation with the results of the VMI included. If you do not wish to print the document, you can choose our e-signature feature, Fixably Paperless, to complete the process electronically.